Unit 52. Question tag. Do you, isn't it? A. Stick example. You haven't seen Lisa today, have you? No, I haven't. It was a good film, wasn't it? Yes, it was great. Have you, and wasn't it, are questions that, many questions that we often put on the end of a sentence in spoken English. In question tags, we use an auxiliary verb, have, was, will. We use does it for the present and past simple. See Unit 51. Karen plays the piano, doesn't she? Well, yes, but not very well. You didn't lock the door, did you? No, I forgot. They. Normally we use a negative question tag after and a positive question tag after a positive sentence. Normally we use a negative question tag after a positive sentence and a positive question tag after a negative sentence. Positive sentence. Negative tag. Kate will be here soon, won't she? There was a lot of traffic, wasn't there? Joe should pass the exam, shouldn't he? Negative sentence, positive tag. Kate won't be late, will she? They don't like us today. You haven't eaten yet, have you? Notice the meaning of yes and no in answer to a negative sentence. You are not going out today, are you? Yes, I'm going out. No, I'm not going out. C. The meaning of a question tag depends on how you say it. If your voice goes down, you are not really asking a question, but you are only inviting the listener to agree with you. It is a nice day, isn't it? Yes, beautiful. Paul doesn't look well, does she? No, he looks very tired. Lisa is very funny. She has got a great sense of humor, hasn't she? Yes, she has. But if the voice goes up, it is a real question. You haven't seen Lisa today, have you? No, I haven't. Have you, by chance, seen Lisa today? You can use a negative sentence, positive tag to ask for things or information, or to ask somebody to do something. The voice goes up at the end of the tag in sentences like this. You haven't got the pen, have you? Yes, here you are. You couldn't do me a favor, could you? It depends what it is. You don't know where Karen is, do you? Sorry, I have no idea. B. After that, the question tag is, shall we? Let's go for a walk. Shall we? The voice goes up. After don't, the question tag is, will you? Don't be late, will you? The voice goes down. After I'm, the question tag is, aren't, am I not? I'm right, aren't I? Yes, you are. Unit 52, exercises. 15 one for the question tag on the end of these sentences. Kate won't be late, will she? You are tired, aren't you? No, she's never late. Yes, a little. You travel a lot. Yes, I love traveling. You weren't listening. Yes, I was. Sarah doesn't know, and no, they have never met. Jack is on holiday. Yes, he's in Australia. Kate has been to China before. Yes, 2 or 3 times. You can speak German. Yes, but not fluently. They won't mind if I take a photo. No, of course they won't. There are a lot of people here, yes, more than I expected. Let's go out tonight. Yes, that would be great. This isn't very interesting. No, not really. I'm too impatient. Yes, you are sometimes. You wouldn't tell anyone. No, of course not. Anne has lived here a long time. Yes, 20 years. I shouldn't have lost my temper. No, but that's alright. He had never met her before. No, that was the first time. Don't drop that face. Don't worry, I won't. Critical got to read the situation and write a sentence with a question tag. In each situation, you are asking your friend to go agree with you. You look out of the window, the sky is blue and the sun is shining. What do you say to your friend? Beautiful day. It is beautiful day, isn't it? You are with a friend outside the restaurant. You are looking at the beef prices, which are very high. What do you say? Expensive. You and a colleague have just finished a drink course. You really enjoyed it. What do you say to your colleague? Great course. Your friend's hair is much shorter than when you last met. What do you say to her? Him? Have your hair cut you? You and a friend are listening to a woman singing. You like her voice very much. What do you say to your friend? A good voice. You are trying on a jacket in a shop. You looking the mirror and you don't like what you see. What do you say to your friend? Not look very good. You and a friend are walking over a small wooden bridge. The bridge is very old and some parts are broken. What do you say? Not very safe, the bridge. Critical got in these situations, you are asking for information, asking people to do things. You need a pen. Perhaps Jane has got one and ask her. Jane, you haven't got a pen, have you? You have to move or have a table. You want Joe to give you a hand with it. You ask him, Joe, you are looking for perhaps Kate knows where she is. Ask her, Kate, you need a bicycle pump. Perhaps Helen has got one. Ask her, Helen. Anne has a car and you need a lift to the station. Perhaps she will take you. Ask her, Anne. You are looking for your keys. Perhaps Robert has seen them. Ask him, Robert.